Welcome back. It is Saturday Daybreak. We have the one and the only Julianne Bitely here joining us. She says that you can eat healthy in the Super Bowl. I said, no, you can't.
Absolutely you can. You don't believe me that bacon's a health food?
No, unless it's like turkey bacon or something.
Oh, goodness, no. As long as it comes from a healthy animal from someplace like Freckleface Farms here locally. They've got great bacon, and you can even get it sugar-free bacon. So then you don't have that. So,
I didn't know there was sugar in bacon to begin with.
Oh my gosh, high fructose corn syrup is the devil, and it's in most every bacon there is.
But she told me.
Okay, so we are going to make BLT cups because they're low carb. There's no bread involved. Super easy. Find some small to medium-sized tomatoes. These are Campari tomatoes. And then you're going to take a spoon, which is absent, and scoop out the insides. Ignore that little mayonnaise there. And then you are all set. You've got room to put your lettuce.
Okay.
You can do this. Do you want to do this?
No, I'm going to let you. You're the professional. I'll let you do this.
So you can slide a little bit of lettuce in there, and then you're going to break off, and you're using less bacon than you would normally.
Right. Just enough to give a little texture and crunch.
Yeah, get that little taste in there.
And you got an interesting.
Yes.
What is this?
So this is healthier mayonnaise. There's no soy in it. Most, I don't know where to hold that. Most mayonnaise has soy oil in it, which is really bad for us. This actually does not, so it's a better version. It's by Spectrum. I am actually allergic to soy, so I use this. And then this is a gluten-free, no preservative, no GMO, really good hot sauce. So you mix the two together in a little Ziploc so that you have easy pastry bag type filling.
Don't have too much time left here.
Okay, all right, so got this. Pretend we did that. Now you have cut the tip off, and you've got some easy way to, add it in. And you can see some we've already done. Okay, over here we hear our pumpkin chili sizzling. I've got a pound of chorizo. We're gonna add in a can of pumpkin.
Now what kind of meat is that in there?
Chorizo. It is healthy chorizo from the Whole Foods.
Okay.
From a healthy animal. It has the spice in it, so you don't have to worry about spicing your chili too much. And this is actually paleo. There's no legumes or any carbs or anything in it, so it's pretty good, or low carb. And then just some tomatoes with onion and garlic. We're gonna add that in there. If you'll mix that up, we'll go to the next part.
All right.
So that makes a great chili. Watch out here.
Oh, I'm stepping on the microphone table. Sorry.
Okay.
That's why we can't have good things around here.
So I always had tacos at the Super Bowl, and you eat all of that corn chips and shells and tortillas. Easy way to make it healthy.
We're going to finish this up on the other side of the break. Okay? We got to go to a commercial break, but we're going to come back and see what she has cooking up here with these little lettuce tacos coming up. Stay with us, everybody.